Alec, Peirce at the ranch. My favorite season. I love September, October, November. December's okay too. A lot of people don't like the cold weather. I love it. The other thing I like about it, this is hunting season. Aha! You look around, you can tell this is hunting season, and you can see that I'm standing on a ladder stand. This is called a ladder stand for you folks that aren't hunters, which is a combination of tree stand and ladder stand. And this is for hunting anything. People in Texas use this for hunting whitetails, but for hunting boar, wild boar. You can learn about ladder stands anywhere, but you can't learn about a silhouette in your ladder stand. A silhouette in your ladder. What's that all about? Well, it's very simple. I'm of the opinion that deer are pretty smart. Yeah, especially the deer with the great big antlers on them. They're the smart ones. They don't go out into the cornfield in the middle of the day. No. They don't get to be big like that if you do that. Consequently, since I think they're smart, I had to be smarter than them. Sometimes I manage. I've been very, very fortunate in my hunting experiences over the years. But I'm always looking for the edge. So here I have a ladder stand. It's on one of our trails. It's a very, very good spot. I'm going to give Kevin a few pictures taken from 20, 30 feet from here. The pictures that you're going to see of animals crossing this trail right here. Recently, too, in the last few days, 2 weeks, roughly. So this is a great spot for animal activity. The difficulty is that when I come out early in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, it's still dark, climb up to my ladder stand, I create a silhouette. The sun is rising in the east behind me, and the animals walk through, and animals are pretty smart. They see anything that's different. They smell, they hear, but they see anything that's different. So I'm thinking to myself, when I go out there, first day of hunting, I climb up in the ladder stand, and I'm sitting there in my warm coat and everything else. It changes the view, changes the scene. Now there's a big black blob up there that wasn't there yesterday. And I'm thinking the deer aren't stupid. They're going to stop me. What the heck is that? So I don't know. I just made this up. Had this idea. I've never seen this before. I made a silhouette. You can see it up there. Another picture of myself. It's just a piece of hard board, and cut a little bit of a shape into it, painted it dark brown, and I've stuck it up there, clamped it to the ladder stand. The point is, this is 2 weeks before we start hunting, the point is that any animals coming through here will get used to that. They will see the ladder stand, they'll see the tree, and they'll see that blob up there. You see? So, here's my idea anyway. Hunting season, early in the morning, I come out here, all dressed up, right? I climb up to my ladder stand, quietly, and I quietly take the clamp. I have a little clamp on there holding it in place. Take the clamp off, lower that silhouette down so it's flat on the ground. I climb up and replace the silhouette. Yeah, you get the idea? Hopefully deer and bear will walk through here and they'll say, oh yeah, that old black blob, it's always up there. Maybe. We'll see. I'll let you know. But it's a good idea anyway. Thought. I know that people use cutout decoys for different types of hunting. This is a little bit of a twist on that. This is a silhouette cut out before we start hunting. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. Anyway, Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Looking forward to a good hunting season. See ya. Bye-bye.